All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start sharing your forms with your leads and with your users. So here we've got our form, and the easiest and quickest way to share this form with your users is, of course, to copy the link. You can go ahead and copy that link to your clipboard. You'll then be able to paste that link wherever you need it to be. So if you're sending out a message with this form, then you can go ahead and put that hyperlink into your emails and send that out to your audience. But what if you want to put this form on a funnel page or on a web page? So we can do that. So I'm just going to navigate to our website to show you the example. This works exactly the same way as it would in a funnel. So we're just going to do it here on the page builder. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose a template. And I'm just going to add an empty template, and we're going to add an empty block. And I'm going to go ahead and just delete that one. And now I can go ahead and hit add, and I'm going to search for a form, and I'm going to select the form module. So I'm going to tell me to please select the form in the settings. So I'm going to come here to my settings and select my form, and you'll see that then that form has been added to my page. It also allows me to edit the endings, so I can create custom endings depending on where I'm putting this form. If this form is in a funnel, I would then be able to make sure that the submission takes them to the final funnel step, or I can make sure that it redirects them somewhere else. And you'll change that setting by choosing the form behavior. So you'll have default or custom. You can choose the custom type to be a redirect and redirect them to wherever you want them to be. So we can say a URL, a page, for example. We can redirect them to the cart page or to the catalog page or to the next funnel step if we're doing this in a funnel. And then you can go ahead, save those changes and make sure you publish them. And then you'll be able to go and test out that form and also obviously share it with your users. So that is how you can share your forms. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can review form submissions. I'll see you there.